Now that we are familiar with our Mindstorm NXT software, let's go ahead and try and program our first command. Let's locate our software. Again, it's in the applications file. If not, mine is already open at the bottom. This is our opening screen. Let's go ahead and name our file move. In my case, I will name it move2. Click go. Since we are going to program a moving block, it is the first block on our common palette. So you want to click on it and drag it to where it says start onto our work area. Once it's dropped, you will notice at the top corner of our moving block, it kind of has our ports distinguished. So your ports should be connected into ports C and B. And you will be able to also notice that at the bottom it says port and it says B and C. Those are default settings. Those were determined during the building stages of building your robot. The direction is already set to a default to go forward. You can click it to go backward or you can click it to go stop. In this case, we will click it to go forward. Steering again is already set to ports C and B where the motors are connected to. You can always at another time have it turn all the way on C or have it turn all the way on B. For now, we're going to keep it going straight. The power function has a default setting of 75. Now, further along in the programming, if you notice that your robot is not moving as accurately as you would like, say following a straight line, you can always power down this command. You can set it to 45, 50, however slower you would like your robot to take. For now, we will set it at 75. Durations consist of unlimited, degrees, rotations, and seconds. It's automatically set on rotations as a default setting. Unlimited you will use later on. Degrees is set to 360, so you can set it to however many degrees you would like it to move. Rotations, so if you measured your wheel at the beginning stages after building, you would have taken a measurement and that would give you the length of one rotation. So if you want to put in more than one rotation, say you want to follow a line for 2 feet, then you would put that length of one rotation and then do more calculations to see how many rotations would take to fit that 2 feet mark. For now, we'll just say we're going to move it 5.5 rotations. And then your next action would either be to brake or to coast. We will have it stop. After we move those 5.5 rotations, we are going to have it stop. So the next thing you need to do is you need to plug the USB cable into the USB port on your robot. Take the other end of the USB cable and plug it into your computer. Once you have that done, you need to power on your robot and you will hear your lovely power on sound. Then you need to click the download button once you are fine with your software. And you will get this downloading to NXT prompt on your computer screen. And as soon as downloading is complete, you will receive a complete message, just like the one we just saw. So once you've downloaded that, you may now test your robot and see if your robot moved to the command you said you would like it to move.